Greetings parents and children. Hope everybody is well. My name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, and today we are having our Luganda lesson 4 Essomo Eryokuna mu Luganda. In lesson 3 we learnt about consonants and vowels. So in this lesson 4 we are going to add consonants and vowels together to create a sound. We are going to add consonants and vowels to make a sound. In Luganda we say okugatta ennukuta ensirifu n'enjogeza okufuna eddoboozi. So now we have added a letter ba. It's a Luganda letter ba with a vowel a. Ba plus a, we get ba. Ba plus a, we get be. Ba plus y, we get b. Ba plus o, we get bo. Ba plus w, we get bo. So these are the letters. They all sound according to what vowel you add on. So da, de, di, do, do. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Now we are going to add two consonants with one vowel to get a sound. Okugatta ennukuta ensirifu bbiri n'enjogeza okufuna eddoboozi. So today we have added M is a consonant, M plus B is a consonant. In Luganda we call this letter ma. Ma plus ba, we get ma plus ba plus a, we get mba. Mba. Two consonants plus a vowel. Mba. Mbe. Mbi. Mbo. Mbu. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Mfa, mfe, mfi, mfo, mfu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Mwa, mwe, mwi, mwo, mu. Mpa, mpe, mpi, mpo, mpu. Nta, nte, nti, nto, ntu. Now you can hear that because we've added B, yeah, we've added M, B, and A. When I'm reading, you hear I say just to emphasize this first letter. Mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. Nda, nde, etc. Because if we take this M off and we have BA, which is ba and a in Luganda, we have ba. Ba. But when we add M, we have to say ba. Now in Luganda, now we are going to use adding a consonant, one consonant, and two vowels, 2 or 1 vowels. Okugatta ennukuta ensirifu n'enjogeza emu oba bbiri okufuna eddoboozi. So we have these words. I call them short because they have only one. I've added in one vowel. There's another vowel, but in the middle there's a single vowel there, which reads mama, mama. But in Luganda, this is long. We have 2 vowels. This one I've marked. In Luganda, we call mommy mama, mama. We don't write mama, we write mama. So we have two vowels in the middle. Tata, tata. That is a type of car, I believe so. Tata. So in Luganda, we call daddy tata, tata. We write it like this, with double A in the middle. Tata. We don't write tata, we write tata. So in Luganda, when if the word is short, it has one vowel in the middle, the meaning change when you add another vowel, like this one. When you have 2 vowels, the meaning change from tata to tata. Tata, type of car. Tata is daddy. Here is bana. Bana in Luganda is 4. In English is 4. Bana, 4. Bana, 4. But when we add in another A, it becomes bana. Bana. From bana to bana. Bana is 4 in English. Bana is children in English. So you see the meaning I've changed from bana, which is 4, to bana, which are children. So that's how it is. The minute you add in a letter, the meaning changes completely. This sula, sula. Sula might be a name, sula, or sula, to sleep over, sula. Then when we add another U, we have double, we say sula. Sula, to throw. Sula. Tema. Tema, to cut. Tema is to cut. But if we add another E, the meaning changed to tema. Tema. We have sima. Sima, like to dig. Sima. 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 When you add another I, we get sima. Sima is to appreciate. So, these are the words in English. In Luganda, you can say the same word with single vowel here is the same word with double vowel. The meanings change. It changes when when it's short, it means something else. When it's long, it means something else. So let's see. To pray. To pray. In Luganda we say okusaba. Okusaba. That is short. Okusaba. So when the same word we add in another A to make it long, it sounds okusaba. This is okusaba. We add another A, then we get okusaba. The meaning have changed. This is okusaba, to pray. Okusaba, to smear. Okusaba, to smear. Then you have to grow. In Luganda, to grow is okukula. Okukula with single U. Now, the same word, but when we add another U, the meaning changes. Okukula, to grow. Okukula is to uproot. To uproot is okukula. The meaning have changed because we have added another U. It's long. This is short. This is long. To do in Luganda is okukola. Okukola. To do, okukola. When we add another O on this same word, the meaning changes from okukola to okukola. Okukola to okukola. To do, okukola. To weed, okukola. So the meaning changes completely when you use a single vowel. It means something else, and when you add another vowel, you make it longer, it means something else. The end of lesson 4. Enkomerero y'essomo eryokuna. Sorry, this is supposed to be 4. Eryokuna. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed the other lessons 1, 2, 3, you can find them on my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket. So when you get there, please do subscribe. I will appreciate that. Thank you. Mwebale. Thank you. Mwebale. Goodbye. Mwelaba. Goodbye. Mwelaba. Thank you so much for listening. Hopefully you have learned something out of this lesson.